Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name's Cathy and this is Skint Living UK. Today I've been shopping at Asda. I had to go because my dog ran out of biscuits and we can't have my dog, my fatty bulldog, losing any weight, can we? So I thought, right, so if I've got to go and get the dog biscuits, I might as well go and get some other bits because my son gave me money for a taxi back because there's just no way I can carry a 12 kilogram bag home because I walk usually back there and back to the shops. So yeah, there's just no way I can carry it, especially with my hands. I've got arthritis, there's no way. So today I spent just over £40. But like I said, I got the dog biscuits. Let's have a look at the price, see if I can find it. It's always the way, isn't it, when you're looking for something you can't find it. Dog food, yeah, £14.85. So it was on offer. I think it was about £3 off, something like that, £3 or £4 off. So I thought, okay, because I'm about to get the estate agents out over the next few days, I wanted the place to smell nice because I've got a cat and a dog. I don't think it particularly smells cat or doggy, but that might be because I'm used to it. So I thought I was going to get some air fresheners, and then I seen these amongst all Halloween stuff, and I was like, oh my goodness, they've got Halloween stuff out. It's July and they had Halloween stuff out, cups and stuff, and I was just like, yeah, anyway, amongst the Halloween stuff was these cinnamon sticks tea lights. So I thought, oh, they'll smell nice, and they do smell nice from the packet. So I thought I'll dot them around the house so the house smells nice. And I'll be able to burn a few when there's some viewers coming. Hopefully, fingers crossed, please. Universe, look after me. So they were, let's see, tea lights, and they were £3.25. So yeah, so there's like 18 odd pounds extra than usual because I had to buy the doggy biscuits and the stinky candles. So if you take that into account, it's a normal shop. I did actually manage to get some yellow sticker labels today, so I'm pleased about that. And I got some toffee treats because I saved a bit of money on the fruit and that, so I thought, ooh, I'll get some toffee treats. So I got some milk, as you do, and that was £1.65. The dog biscuits were £14.85. So after treats, I got some biscuit crisps. If we get crisps, my son usually gives me the money for it, but I got them this time. He's having a hula hoops moment. So they were £1.92, I think. Let's see. Where is it? Oh, honest to goodness, it's just like pizza, crumpets, chicken, crisps. Oh God, right at the top. Yeah, £1.92. So I got mini rolls. These are still on offer for £2.50 because usually £3 something. And my son sticks these in his pocket to go to work with as well. So I got them. I got the penguins, and I'm annoyed over this. These were on offer for £1. And I didn't check because I was in a rush. I was too busy fighting with the dog bag of bickies, and they've charged me the full price, £1.86. So there you go, ladies and gents. Check before you leave the shop. But no doubt, I will go back in and go, oh, what's that about? Because I'm not happy about it. But anyway, yeah, the muffins were on offer. They were £1.46. They're usually £1.80 something. So I got chocky ones because my son likes chocky ones. Triple choc. I like the lemon ones and the blueberry ones, but no lemon or blueberry there. It was chocolate or chocky chip or strawberry and white chocolate. So I got the chocolate ones as a treat for them. They were on offer. I got my cheapy mushrooms as always. It was handy to throw in everything. I threw the last of them on yesterday's pasta bake, which I'm about to microwave. That's why I've got it out here. It was lovely. I had courgette, tin tomatoes, half a red pepper, half a green pepper, and 4 mushrooms and a little onion. Yum, yum, yum. That was so nice. Yeah, so I got my usual cheapy mushrooms. They were 84p. I got a garlic bread. I always get them, and if I don't use it straight away, they're flung in the freezer. Where's the garlic bread? Yeah. That's 36p. I got my nice tomatoes rather than salad ones. These have a little bit of flavour. Not loads, not like homegrown ones that actually have proper flavour. And they're quite big as well. You get 4 in a packet with them. Here's the tomatoes, and they're 1.37. I've got some noodles for my son because I'm going to do chicken and noodles again because that's what he asked for. And I was made up because when I went to go and get his chicken that he likes, it's usually 4.23, sometimes it's 4.50, and there was 1 packet in the reduced fridge and it was 2.96. So I was like, yeah, get in, because often you don't see this actual brand of chicken reduced very often, so I'm pleased about that. So saves well over £1 there on that. What else did I get? Oh, I got my cat streamies. Where is that? Oh, I forgot to get the dog treats. I was so obsessed with the biscuit. Oh, I'll get some tomorrow. Because I've got to go to Home Bargains tomorrow, so watch out for my own bargain shop. Because I need to get a toilet roll holder and some other little bits and bobs, so I thought, right, I'll go Home Bargains tomorrow. Dreamies, yeah, Dreamies, 1.34, so they're still full price, not on offer or anything. I got some crumpets reduced to 32p, so we'll have some today and some tomorrow, me and the dog. There's 6 in there, so I'll do 3 at a time. Me and the dog like it all hot and buttery. I got my blueberries. I usually get these anyway, and these were reduced to £1, so happy days. I got my yoghurt, that was reduced to 76p, so they'll go with the blueberries. I got 2 packets of grapes, so we'll have a packet each. These should have been 1.94 and they were 60p. They had loads of them and loads of the red ones as well. I'm not fussed on the dark red ones, I much prefer the green ones. So they're 60p each. Wells! Dog's thundering up there. And I got these cheapy pizzas. No, the little ones, these are usually 60p each. And these were 42p each. I prefer the plain ones because the ham doesn't actually taste of anything on these. But these will go in the freezer and they'll get eaten as and when. So I got 4 of them because there was loads of them. So I thought I'll get 4 and they'll get flung in the freezer for whenever. Handy for a lunch. Throw some bits of tomato and mushrooms on. Bit of olive oil. Happy days. So there you go. So I got milk, 1.65, dog food, which was on offer, the dog biscuits, 14.85. I think they were £3 off. I got my usual mushrooms, they were 84p. I got crisp as a treat, they were 1.92. Got ripped off with the biscuits, they should be £1. Got muffins, they're 1.46, they were on offer. Got the tomatoes, the nice rind vipey ones, they're 1.37. Got my usual garlic bread, 36p, the cheapy one. They're good for putting in the air fryer if you've got an air fryer rather than putting the oven on. I've got a packet of noodles for my son, so we'll love that with his chicken, and they're £1.07. Dreamies for the pussycat, 1.34. Grapes, they were 60p each. It says it's £2 each. Reduced price chicken for my son, so we'll be happy over that because that does them for 2 meals. I'm trying to cut down on my meat, so I didn't. There was reduced chicken there, but I didn't get it because I'm just I'm trying to cut back on my meat. Berries, which is the blueberries, they were reduced to £1. My crumpets, which were reduced to 32p, so I'm going to have some of them after I've scoffed me pasta bake. Put your teeth in, Cathy. I got reduced yoghurt, so I'll have them with me berries. They were 76p, and 4 little tiny pizzas that were reduced from 60p each to 42p each. So yeah, so big chunk went on me stinky candles and the dog biscuits, so probably about 25 odd 26 actually went on shopping. So can't complain. Milk, toffee treats, some veggies, some fruit, yogurt, meat, pizzas and noodles. So overall a nice balanced shop there. Even treats for the cat. I forgot about the dogs. Oh, the breed would be dangerous. So please like, share and subscribe. Hope to see you soon, and bye for now.